Welcome to 5 Minute Meditations for Calm and Focus. If you're feeling scattered or overwhelmed, you're not alone. In the next 5 minutes, we'll gently ground your attention in the body, helping you settle, and feel steady and return to the present moment, offering your system a chance to settle and reconnect with a sense of calm presence. So often during the day, our minds are so busy and there's so many thoughts and worries and concerns going on, it can get to feel a bit like this fellow here. All we're doing today is we're going to get out of the head into the body by grounding our body, anchoring ourselves and our attention and our awareness so that we can be right here, right now. So let's begin. Take a moment to pause whatever you're doing. You don't need to change anything, just allow this brief break. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring your attention to your breathing. Notice one inhale and one exhale. Let the breath move naturally. Now notice your body where you are, scanning through the body, noticing any tension, perhaps in the shoulders, jaw or face, or wherever. Allow those areas to soften slightly. Feel your body supported by the chair or the ground beneath you. Take a moment and feel the weight of the body, its density and solidity. Feel the contact points of the surface beneath you. If you're sitting, feel the lower torso, the sit bones, the lower back, connected and grounded. Bring your awareness down through the body, down into the legs, as if they were tree trunks, reaching down to the ground. Now feel your feet on the floor. The contact the soles of your feet make with the ground, the earth. And you might imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you deeply into the earth. You're solid, grounded, connected. If at any time the mind gets busy and thoughts arise, that will happen. That's what our minds do. Don't try to make the thoughts go away. Just notice briefly, let go, and come back to the feeling of being grounded. Come back to the body. There's nothing you need to fix or figure out right now. Just notice this moment as it is. Feel that sense of being grounded. Take one slow breath in and a long, steady breath out. And as this mindful pause comes to an end, carry a sense of ease and awareness into whatever comes next. And when you're ready, gently return to your day. Feel the steadiness beneath you and return to whatever comes next, carrying this sense of calm with you. Now, you can use this grounding practice on the go. If you're driving, for example, and stuck and a little bit annoyed, or waiting in line at the store, simply feel your body connected. For example, in the car, feel your hands on the wheel, your feet on the pedal and the footrest, your torso supported by the seat. In other words, just simply get out of the head and into the body. If this practice was helpful, you're welcome to explore the other 5-minute meditations in this series. Simple pauses you can return to anytime. Thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate your presence. Namaste. Peace be with you. And if you'd like to support this work, you can subscribe or share this meditation with someone who might benefit. And please feel free to visit my website, budwassell.com, for more information, resources, guided meditations, and all sorts of helpful resources for you. Thank you for your practice. Take good care, be well, and be mindful.